Hello, I'm Olga from RubyMine, and in this video I'll show you how you can use Rubacop in our IDE. Rubacop is a code analyzer and formatter. Its inspection is enabled in RubyMine by default. If it's not enabled for some reason, you can always enable it manually. Actually, all you have to do is start typing Rubacop, and it will appear automatically. The inspection requires the Rubacop gem to be installed in the project's SDK. If you don't have the Rubacop gem in your gem file, then RubyMine will offer to edit for you. Now, let's specify the version. And install it using Bundler. Now we can see that RubyMine highlights any Rubacop offenses in the editor. To see a description of the offense, simply hover your mouse over it. And we can fix it using Rubacop's autocorrect feature via an intention action. You have the option to run Rubacop either for the whole project or just within a specific scope. For this, we will need to go to Run Inspection by name, so let's search for it using the Search Everywhere function. Simply press the Shift button twice and then type Run Inspection by name. We can then define the scope as well as Rubacop specific settings. And now you can explore, after we analyze the code, you can explore all of the offenses in one place and also fix any autocorrectable ones using the Fix All Autocorrectable Offenses button. Here it is. Last but not least, you can configure RubyMine to automatically launch Rubacop and autocorrect your code with SaveCops only every time you save your changes. Let's turn this on in the settings. Oh. And now we can check how it works. Let's change our quotes back to single ones. And now save the file. As you can see, the autocorrection process was launched and the quotes have changed back. We hope this tutorial will make working with Rubacop more convenient for you.